everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and to today's video where, yes, real life mess of a real life housewife. And it's winter, what can I say? Our lounge room looks like a Chinese laundry and like a bomb's hit it, World War III. Welcome to family life. And this is called, the media's coming over tomorrow. We need a clean lounge room and kitchen. Quick! All hands on deck. So it's suddenly let's clean everything up. We don't have a dryer, so I don't bother drying any clothes. That way we all do it in clothes horses if it's raining or bad winter like we've got now. Otherwise we hang it outside. I don't do lines under the veranda because our carport faces the street and I don't really want my underwear hanging up for everyone to see. So instead we'll just, film it and put it on YouTube. Okay. So yeah, we've pulled all those clothes away and then I'm just cleaning up this area here. We tend to just dump stuff in boxes and bags. Well, I do, and then figure I'll put it away later. And then that's how all the mess kind of just gets piled up. So this area of the mess is mostly the children's actually. So we are still sorting our organization for some of the games and other bits and pieces. We had a few events where we needed to take stuff, so stuff just got spread out easier, and I don't mind. We pretty much don't ever have any visitors to the house, so it's fine as it is. This would have been tidied up on the weekend anyway, absolutely, because I figured, hey, let's record it and give you guys some cleaning motivation. But when the phone call came that the media is coming tomorrow, it was like, let's move. And of course, the first media didn't even come. They did a phone interview and then the photographer did something completely different in the kitchen, which we will get to in a second anyway. But still, I'm happy that we've tidied everything up and then it's now back to a very basic, easy arrangement. There's a whole lot of stuff on the coffee table that's here that is my daughter's, so I will need to leave that for her to tidy later. She doesn't want to be on YouTube, so you will come back to see a lovely, gorgeous, clean lounge room. So luckily today is school holidays and I actually don't have any Zumba classes, which means I spent quite a lot of time cleaning. So, but with having the music, I think it makes you go twice as fast. So it helped motivate me. And yes, as you can see me walking in and out of the sliding door, I literally dumped everything in the side office that's there. So you just saw that video of me tidying up the couch. So that's how that mess happened. And the thing is, with tidying the kitchen, with the media coming, I didn't know what he wanted to film or where or how it was going to work out. So I figured, let's get rid of everything. Also decided to do a bit of a quick sweep and a vacuum of all the other areas because they did need it. I was going to keep this for a separate cleaning video, but no doubt I will go back and clean some of it again anyway. And also it did need a mop. I just didn't have time for it today. I figured today I had done enough and I was really happy with it. It looks super clean and organized, especially this lounge area with everything off the coffee table. So no doubt in a couple of days time all the clothes horses will be back with all of their clothing, because here's our gas heater that we put on to warm the room and also dry the clothes, so it's effective for us. So about half an hour before the media came, I just spent tidying up the last little bits in the kitchen, even cleaned off the windowsill, which you will see in a second, of the Milo and coffee tins, just to kind of give everything a bit more of a cleaner and sleeker surface. And I'm glad I did, because when I look at some of the photos for proofs, I could see where some of the angles were, and yeah, it's good just to have a bit more of a clear background. So here we are, all clean and tidy Friday morning. It's 7 a.m. It's early. Thanks so much for spending time with me, guys. I really appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.